I don't know about you guys, but I really feel like Pinterest is the most slept on social media platform. But it's crazy because not only is it a social media platform, it's also a search engine. When you Google something, images from Pinterest pop up first. Like images from Pinterest are all over the place. So why can't you be one of those people who pop up on Google, who pop up on Pinterest? Keep watching the video to find out how you can actually utilize Pinterest for yourself as a creator or utilize Pinterest for your business. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. So here on my channel, I create absolutely free content helping you guys grow and excel your online businesses, whether it's you as a creator or it's a e-commerce business that you are trying to grow. Today we're going to be talking about Pinterest, you guys. I feel like a lot of people don't use Pinterest, which is a flaw because Pinterest unlocks so many doors and so many opportunities for us as creators and also businesses, because not only do I use Pinterest for myself as Viva La Pink Posh, I use Pinterest for my business. Unfortunately, Pinterest just ended their Pinterest creator rewards, which is where they were paying creators. They literally just ended it in November. They sent everyone a $750 as a thank you for joining the beta of the program. But don't worry, you guys, because Pinterest always has their creator fun. Okay, guys, so in today's video, I am literally going to show you exactly how to post on Pinterest in order for you to utilize it to promote yourself as a creator or a business. So majority of this video is going to be a screen recording because I want to show you guys exactly how to post and exactly how to create content for your Pinterest, whether it's videos that you have used from TikTok or Instagram, or even if it's like text that you're trying to use or text that you're trying to import onto videos and put them on Pinterest just to create some type of informational content. So let's get into the tutorial part of this video. Before I do that, I just want to let you guys know, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you would never miss one of these videos, you guys. They are very beneficial and of course they are free. So subscribe, notifications, and share this video with someone it might help. So I'm here on my Pinterest. This is my Viva La Pink Posh Pinterest. This is my account. So I'm doing this on the phone because everybody uses their phone, not everybody uses their computer. So I'm going to tap that plus button and we are going to do a ideal pen. So then you're going to choose your video. So let's say I'm posting this video here. So I'm going to click on where it says sticker at the bottom. These are all the stickers that you can put, but we are going to choose a product. So I'm then going to go to my Amazon and I'm going to find that product so I can link it. Okay, so this is the product that I purchased, which is that phone case. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy the link. This is going to be my affiliate link, my associate link. We are going to copy that link. And I'm going to use link on Pinterest and I'm going to paste that in there. Okay. So once I hit enter, a lot of images are going to pop up with that phone case, the exact phone case that I linked. I'm going to choose this one because it's super simple. And then we are going to import that onto this video. So when someone watches this video and they click this link and purchase a case, I am going to earn a commission from that sale because I literally promoted the phone case for them. So I'm just going to press next. And this is how the video comes out. As you guys can see, the link is there for anyone who wants to buy it. So I'm going to add cute. We're going to press done on there. I'm going to save this to random pink stuff. See, random pinks. That's my board. And then here you would put your tags, whatever product you're using. If it's a hair, you put wigs. If it's clothing, you put the brand that you brought it from or the type of style like that. Here, I usually use pink. Phone case, iPhone case, done. And then, you guys, that's literally how you do it. You just publish it. It goes to your page. And whenever somebody clicks this link, it takes them to this Amazon case where they then buy it and you earn your commission. So you just want to continue doing that with different products. This is why I always encourage people to like purchase wigs from Amazon or purchase anything from Amazon, and you link it with your affiliate link. You will make money from that, you guys. Right now, I'm doing $300 a month just from my G page, and I really don't promote stuff. Like, everything is just in my description. So yeah, I definitely encourage you guys to use this method as a side hustle to make money. If you're super serious about it, you can make a lot of money. Like, if you completely dedicate your attention and your focus to Pinterest, you will grow. And not only will you grow, you will make money. Okay, so that's going to be it for this tutorial. Let's finish this video out. Okay, guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video beneficial. I hope now you feel like you're very confident in posting on Pinterest from watching this video. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, bye.